Hi guys, so this is my first vlog ever, so if there is any problem, bear with me. We are off to Agra for a destination wedding, having something in between, and I got my nails done. Simple. This is me. Almost reached Agra. Here we are. Resting in the car. And this was the lobby. It was pretty good. So now let me give you a room tour. This was the room. It was nice and simple. Everything was there. This was the washroom. It was pretty nice. The lighting was good enough. And the toiletries were from Forest Essentials. Pretty nice. This was the window view. It was normal like the backside. And this was the terrace, which was the best part of my trip. It was pretty good. This was the backside of the breakfast area. Then we went Taj Mahal. We booked a guide. He clicked so many pictures and like different styles. Gave us the details and everything. And guess this was the Yamuna river from the backside of the Taj Mahal. Pretty weather. And yes, that's it for the video.